So here we have the Yunzii AL65, a premium 65% wireless mechanical keyboard featuring a CNC anodized aluminum body and a unique hollow side cut design with 360-degree RGB lighting. Built for performance and style, it includes a gasket-mounted structure with 5 layers of sound dampening foam for quieter cushion typing feel. With tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth and 2.4G, and an 8000 mAh battery, it offers reliable, long-lasting use across devices. The AL65 supports QMK, VIA for advanced customization, hot-swappable switches, transparent keycaps, and NKRO anti-ghosting, ideal for gamers, typists, and RGB enthusiasts. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing and trying this out, so here it goes. Open it up. Instruction manual, okay. Another card, yeah. Then we got the transparent Yunzii cover, our beautiful keyboard, and it's quite heavy. This is one of the reasons I'm actually getting this. This is a good quality USB-A to USB-C, quite long. And the toolkit, get rid of some of the keyboard buttons if you want to. We got the Yunzii, which is the dongle to connect to your computer. These are the spare components. Spare keyboard button, enter, shift, and the rest, space, and etc. And it's, I have to say, a rather good quality actually. I actually love the weight. If you look at the switch, you got 3 types of modes, wireless, BT, so on, USB-C. And this is where the LED light's going to come out. This is sideways, which I believe this is also where the LED light's going to come out. Hopefully in the front as well, both ways. And this is the keyboard layout. Okay, this again feels so nice. So to give you an idea how it sounds like, that's my favorite actually. It feels really good, this part. ASMR. And the great news is, it goes very well with my new mouse. Transparent, ghost effect, and etc. Also, with my desking layout as well, with a lot of white components, including PlayStation 5, that is laid out. For the moment of truth, let's actually turn it on to wireless because I got the dongle connected to my computer. And look at that. That's just beautiful. All these LED lights. Yeah? And that really feels premium indeed. And on the backlight, that's how it looks like. On the sideways, and in the front as well. On both ends, that's how it looks. So let's actually turn off the light to give you the feel when it's in the darkness. Look at that. That's just beautiful, isn't it? I mean, in real life, it looks much better because this is actually exaggerating on the camera lens, but there you go. And so on. So you won't need to worry about in the darkness. It's going to be a really nice feature on your desk. So to run through some of the backlight function, if you press the function and back, that's when you turn off the light, okay? Function and back, you turn it on again. Change the lighting effect, you just press function and slash. So it was going sideways, now it's top to bottom. And this is, again, another sideways. Now it's focusing on the center. This is like 2 centers. Okay, circling around, opposite way, bit more effective, and 2 circles. It's gone out, but if I press anything, it was just only the backlight. sideways as well. It's quite settled. Okay, so this is like just mechanical, random. It's quite clever. And I think if you type it, you can see the red, orangey, it's actually red light appearing. That's quite cool. Next one is a bit more enhanced effect. Yeah. This one is even bigger enhancement. Look at that. And this one is all over the place with rainbow color. This is probably the biggest effect of the red. A steady red light, a bit more breathing effect, and a single red light line actually going through. Everything just flashing. Again, back to normal. So if you want to change red to other colors, also known as backlight, you just press function and enter. And there are various colors you can play with until you arrive to red again. Now, if you want to change the brightness of it, you just press function down, which is darker, and up, making it lighter, okay? So there are about 5 or 6 stages, is it? And if you want to change the blinking speed, just press function left, right, okay? So that's very quick, and that's slowing down. Okay? And slow down. And if you want to change the side lighting effect, you need to press function and delete. So you can see that it's changing independently. Yeah, different colors. There's several of them actually. I don't know whether you can see from this end. It's like Robocop, isn't it? It's moving around. Oh, look at that. We just missed that. So if we constantly press it, robotic lighting moving around. Okay. And lastly, if you want to check the battery life, you just need to press the function and the control, right hand side control, which shows 9 out of 10, which means it has 90% battery remaining. I mean, I could literally go through every single one of them, but these are the summary of the functions that you could actually try, the shortcuts and etc. Okay. I guess this will be quite handy if you need to adjust the screen brightness and also volume up and down. That's how you do it with function minus, plus, and up and down. I mean, compared to the other 65% keyboard that I tried out, this is relatively low level, which is good news for me because I'm so used to typing on a laptop keyboard. So let me actually try out to write a sentence. So, hi, my name is LJP Tech. Nice to meet you. Okay, so that was really smooth indeed. And the good thing about this keyboard, again, because of this weight and the rubber grip on the bottom, it doesn't slide. It's very settled, okay? Very nicely put overall indeed. So I do get approached by several companies related to computer accessories and so on, and Yunzii's AL65 keyboard really stood out in the midst of it because if you look at it, it's a white minimalistic 65% keyboard, yet on the right hand side you have this very impacting transparent blue cover buttons with flashing LED lights, and the quality itself is really good as well. So if you touch it, it actually feels like sprayed metal and so on, and it's a good weight. Again, because of the weight itself, it prevents to slide when you're trying to type and so on. So it's kind of minimalistic, discreet in the first glance, but when the main light is off, it becomes one of the most bright shining star that brightens up the whole atmosphere of your desktop indeed. That goes really well with the LED flashing speaker, computer, PlayStation, and Meta 3 and so on. So I really love this AL65 keyboard, and I'll definitely recommend you guys to get one as well, indeed, if you're into white components of your desktop. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool this AL65 keyboard is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. This is LZP Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.